Come test drive the 2016 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.